This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ka Sorkar Jilla Kalashim Yakarai ban up Yaki Jingai Jingmut Nauba DP Walang IAS Chief Secretary ke Jilla Halor ka Kaiphod Expert Committee on Reservation Policy Hashwa ban Shim Yakarai ka Bakhadu U Chief Secretary ha ka arpo tarik ujeliu arajar arpusan mula ong ba unsa ay Yaki Jingmut Halor ka ka Kaiphod Syaka Sorkar Jilla Hashwa ka Laipui tarik unailar arajar arpusan Dangshen ka Jingilang Kenhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla kala IT sya u Chief Engineer bat ki officer rangba bakin yet bat pulih benia ya katai ke Kaiphod bala IT da ka expert committee bakli da retired justice Mulchan Guard shushu ubak pol lingdo menteri bade kmi ya katanat social welfare ke Sorkar Jilla bat nong aiktien ke Sorkar MDA2 uloong ba ya ka Kaiphod on sayatai ha ka Jingilang Kenhun Menteri haswa ban rapat ya ka ha ka yeng dorbar thawan ke Jilla.
Yeah, we received the report of the expert committee on reservation on the 6th of June, and we have informed the members of the cabinet also in the last cabinet meeting as an informal item. It's a very bulky report that they have submitted, and I have been tasked by the cabinet to study the report and to submit basically the summary of the report by the 31st of August to the cabinet. So we are now in the process of opening the report and studying it, and we will submit it on time by the 31st of August.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmantoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.